If you are looking to build WordPress site, then this is for you. There are thousands of tutorials available using which you can set up your site. Here, we will focus on how you can generate unlimited content for free. You can do it now without writing any content yourself. We have got the perfect solution for you. This works for any WordPress site. You just have to enter the product-related keywords, your link and a call to action text like click here or click to see details, etc. That's all. Now, the software will populate your site with posts related to your keywords along with your affiliate link. This will work perfectly well whether you want to post 5, 10 or even 50 posts a day. So, you can build sites for various niches easily. Or use the same site to post products related to various niche, it totally depends on you. To get access to the software, subscribe the channel and see access details in the description. Take action now and start building your WordPress sites easily and quickly.